Welcome to This Week in Astronomy, brought to you by Celestron, the world's leading manufacturer of telescopes. I'm Dave Eicher, editor of Astronomy magazine. You know, conjunctions are always really fun events because we have the objects that are moving around the sky at different rates than the so-called fixed stars, and they move around and get close to each other, and that makes for a great fun event that we can view with binoculars or a Celestron telescope. We have a really good one when Mars is moving through an interesting region of the sky this spring. The event is sort of centered on May 5th, but of course Mars isn't moving all that fast in the sky, and it's going to move really close to and practically on top of one of the great, very large, bright open star clusters in our sky, the Beehive Cluster in Cancer. So this will be a great opportunity to go out and look at the two together in a telescopic or binocular field, to photograph them and so on. You'll want to know about this. It'll happen toward the west on the evening of May 5th will be the best time to look, and Mars will be notable, shining at about third magnitude and of course with its characteristic orangey color. Above and to the left of Mars at that time on that night, you'll see the moon also glimmering brilliantly and about 66% illuminated, so the moon will be up there and very bright. But take a close look at Mars with your eyes and with a pair of binoculars. You'll see the stars of the Beehive surrounding Mars there. It's a cluster that lies very, very close to us as open clusters go, about 610 light years away from us. The boxy shape of the Beehive, or Praesepe it's sometimes called long ago, of this cluster's stars will be apparent in a wide field view. Numerous fainter stars, of course, make up the cluster as well, very similar to the cluster that our sun was born in 4.6 billion years ago. This will be a really pretty pairing, and so it'll be a good event that you won't want to miss, both in binoculars and even with a low-power telescopic field. So circle May 5th, get out there and get ready for a great passage of one of our favorite planets, Mars, going through and close to stars in the Beehive star cluster in Cancer. I'll see you next time.